पिछले व्लॉग में मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा मजाक उड़ाया गया था, ठीक है। कमेंट्स पढ़ के मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि कोई इज्जत ही नहीं है मेरी, ठीक है। बहुत ही छोटा इंसान फील कराया गया था मेरे को, जस्ट बिकॉज आई वोर समथिंग दैट डिड नॉट मैच। ओके, इट ऑल स्टार्टेड बिकॉज ऑफ हर। आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट दिस फ्रॉम माई फॉलोअर्स, एवरीबडी सपोर्टेड हर, बट आज तुम्हारा भाई वापस आया है, ठीक है। एंड टुडे आई एम लुकिंग लाइक वन एब्सोल्यूट हीरो। चेक दिस आउट, ओके। टुडे देयर इज नो वे दैट शेफ लुक्स बेटर देन मी। How are we looking, boys?
I always look cute. Always. I look cute.
Bobbies, there's no way that chef is looking better, okay? Just check me out, man. I'm looking insane today. I got some fancy shirt, nice pants, loafers. Yeah, I mean, even she's looking good, but I was humiliated in the last vlog.
Fine, today one day you look better than me. Just one
Since
day.
we both put some effort into our outfits today, we're going to do multiple fit checks, okay? Chef,
Brother, I always put efforts into my outfit.
fine, go do one model walk and show. We'll both do one model walk. Okay, walk and come. Give us your best model walk.
It's very dirty.
That's your best model walk. Now you do commentary, I'll show mine.
Apparently he's gonna do a model walk. Let's see how much of a model walk he's gonna do. He's just gonna walk like any other guy and then say, oh, model walk.
Tell me that was good. Whose model walk is better?
I don't know, my commentary was better than your model walk.
Your commentary was better?
Yeah.
We'll see. अभी हम लोग MG रोड में हैं. We are walking to UB City and we have a reservation at Rico. It's a new restaurant in UB City. Shefali isn't aware about this, but I have made a surprise reservation. It's a Peruvian Latina restaurant. आप लोगों को पेरू नाम की एक कंट्री पता है, right? So this is a fusion Peruvian Latina restaurant and it just opened like a week ago. Guys, we are at UB City and this is the fit check. So for all the non-Bangalore viewers who don't know what UB City is, it's basically India's first luxury mall and it's pretty old. How old is it?
I'm guessing 20 years? Actually,
Must be.
12,
15 for sure. This was owned by Vijay Mallya and he has a penthouse right about here. You guys must have seen reels, na?
He doesn't have a penthouse, brother. He has a house on top of a building.
Yeah, he has a mansion.
Yeah.
They basically put a house on top of the building. Penthouse is an understatement.
Don't insult Vijay Mallya like this, please.
Yeah, we Bangalore Bobbies know. We still like Vijay Mallya.
Yeah.
Even after what he's done. Vijay Mallya ka mansion udhar hai.
House on top of the building.
That house on the top, jahan 2 lights on hai, that's the house. Shefali and I used to come here a lot when we were in college.
Yeah, after that we haven't come that much.
Yeah, we stopped coming because there are no good restaurants left. We are hoping that this place that we're going to today won't disappoint. Guys, just look at that backdrop, man. Wow. Imagine guys, आप मॉल में आओ and security से पूछो कि Rico restaurant कहाँ है, and security बोलता है मैं पहली बार सुन रहा हूँ. What would you do in that case? Right there, Rico's right there. I spotted it first.
I found it, bro. I literally led you to it, liar.
You're saying you found it?
Yeah, where is it?
She still hasn't seen it. It's right there.
Okay.
This is Rico, guys. You see that? And here is the Kebabsi. Chef and I have come here. We actually made a vlog also,
Which never went out.
which never went live. We still have footage. See, that's the restaurant Oz by Kebabsi, which is again pretty expensive. I'm sure this Rico will also be expensive.
Good luck.
I'm paying.
Obviously.
Okay, I mean, if she came dressed and all, fine, I don't mind paying. But even I came dressed for you, okay? So you should consider paying for me as well.
Sorry. I'm just a girl.
Whoa, fit check. Bobby's looking hella jacked. And then there's one cute girl by my side. Thumbnail.
Wow, he called me cute.
Alright, Bobbies, we out here at Rico and they greet you by saying, Hola, senor.
Yeah.
I don't know what they called her. What did they call you?
I don't know. I didn't hear it.
Even she's a senor only, guys.
Oops.
Senorita.
Oh, yeah.
Let me give a glimpse of the place, guys. First, the prettiest thing here,
It's me. Me.
Senor Shefali.
Second prettiest thing is me again.
Very good. The rest of the place is this.
Look up, look up.
Whoa, what am I in a hotel room? And then around is like this. If you guys see, there's a fireplace at the very end. Guys, this place is so new that they haven't even figured out how to go about dinner service yet.
Yeah, they themselves look very confused.
Everybody here is just confused. They are hospitable, yes, but they haven't gotten that knack of, you know, इनको बैठाओ खिलाओ और बाहर निकालो. First starter is here. It's a chicken empanada. Empanada is basically like a samosa that is from Mexico. Here's my empanada. It's hot as fuck. Be careful. Deep fried, eh? I've started eating a lot of deep fried lately, man.
Be careful, it's hot. It's hot.
Rich, creamy, and all in all, I don't mind it. We now have saffron rice and sea bass on top. You know what it looks like? It looks like khichdi and a piece of meat on top. Alright, let's try the sea bass first.
So let's try the dal chawal.
Okay, let's try the rice first. Very much like khichdi.
Yeah, literally khichdi with like a tint of fish.
Let's try the fish itself. Oh my god, my fork just goes through the fish. Fish is good. The fish has a bit of a tangy coating, and with the rice, it just balances out very well. This is good. Good start to the meal. But something is bloating me up.
Really?
Do you feel it?
No.
Oh, maybe it's just because I'm eating so late. It's already 9:45 and I wrap up dinner at what? 7:45, right? So this is too late for me. I usually eat a lot earlier. I'm realizing that Peruvian and Latina cuisine is very similar to Indian flavors. The spices that they use for their cooking is very similar to our Indian spices. Guys, this is a lamb tamale. Pick it up and bite into it. The outer is like makke ki roti, but it's steamed, and inside is lamb. It's exactly like makke di roti and lamb inside. So far, if I were to rate the food, I would rate the empanada an 8.2 on 10.
Yeah, that's a good rating.
You agree with 8.2? The next thing, I would rate the sea bass with the khichdi about another 8.2 on 10.
I would rate it a 9.
A 9?
Yeah, I really liked it. Actually, an 8.7.
Okay. And the tamale, I would give it a 5.6. That is my grilled chicken, and it is marinated in some Peruvian spices. It's really good.
It's too good.
It's really good. And they serve it with some cauliflower mash, which is
Also phenomenal.
otherworldly. That cauliflower mash is wow, to die for. But the real question is this grilled chicken better than Empire grilled chicken? Empire's chicken is more tender.
Really?
Yeah, it falls off the bone way easier. This vlog channel is very expensive to run, and you guys are not subscribing. Okay, this channel is not monetized. All this money is just going to waste.
Guys, we've been saying it for a year now. Subscribe now so we can go on more trips.
Please, guys. So, guys, मैं अभी washroom गया था, and they have a unisex washroom, meaning gents and ladies का same है. And I went in, and मेरे पीछे एक और औरत आई, not Shefali, one more lady. And then in the washroom, she's like, "You look so handsome. Can I get your phone number?" I'm like, "No, sorry. I'm here on a date." You see, I'm so loyal.
Like that's
You saw that woman come behind me, no?
Bro, women don't approach men like that.
Bro, but she
Not even in
approached.
your dreams.
She didn't approach me in public. She approached me in the washroom. My last course is here: salmon and chipotle sauce and some jasmine rice. I'm really excited for that. Let's try the chipotle sauce on its own. It's not fake chipotle sauce. I can actually taste the chilies blended in there. Guys, I've ordered 3 desserts. Chef is saying that I'm gonna hate her tomorrow because I'm overeating. But hey, if I don't step on the scale, if I don't see my weight, I will not know the damage.
I think the only way he'll lose weight and be happy with his weight is if I go away from his life.
Go. You know, when you see a person, you don't really know their story or background. For example, when you see me at a restaurant, you see me eating non-stop for 3 hours and like I'm one skinny dude, okay? You would be thinking, how the fuck is he not fat? Well, there's a story. Guys, just let me show you around. Restaurant has cleared up. Okay? It's just us. Just me and this random girl. What's up? Random girl, how's your experience been so far?
It's been okay, just like okay, Mohit. Like okay.
So the first dessert, which is like a pancake with mozzarella cheese, Shefali is not a fan because there's no chocolate in it. That's a moist chocolate cake with ice cream.
Looks amazing.
Looks really good. Shefali loves chocolate cakes, and the best chocolate cake I ate was very recently in Mumbai, Taj Mahal Palace. After eating non-stop for the last 2.5 hours, it is now time to call for the bill. How much do you think the bill is? Let's count all the dishes we've ordered. Empanada, tamale, sea bass, then salmon, then grilled chicken, Then 2 desserts, which is 1 Peruvian pancake and 1 chocolate cake. So that's how many, chef? 7 total dishes. 7 items we've ordered and 2 Diet Cokes. I'm guessing about 6.5. So if this bill costs more than 7,000, Shefali will pay for it. If it costs less than 7, I will pay for it. Is that a deal? Total bill was 6,100 rupees for 7 items, right? And expensive, yes, definitely. But how was it overall, taste-wise?
I think it was a 7 on 10.
All in all, I think a decent meal. Would we come back here? No. Okay, I'll tell you why. Because nothing special, nothing to come back to. There was no dish in particular which was like, wow, I want to eat this again. Right?
And we tried everything.
We tried everything. Pretty much अभी जो इनका पूरा menu है, they've just started off. They are adding a lot more things to the menu. I tried everything. Desserts में, mains में, starters में. And even on the house, they gave us 1 item. So pretty much everything is covered. Nothing that was calling like you have to visit again. Just look at that Bangalore sky. What is prettier, guys? The moon or Shefali? Guys, right now we are on Vittal Mallya Road. Vittal Mallya Road is named after Vijay Mallya's dad, who was an industrialist and a very big icon in Bangalore. And here is a Starbucks on Vittal Mallya Road. This Starbucks is one of the prettiest Starbucks in Bangalore. And Shefali and I used to go here long time back.
Very long ago, 2 years ago.
2 years ago we sat here and we used to discuss life back then. When we were younger, we used to have more serious conversations. Now we sit and discuss food. That just goes to show that talking intellect doesn't mean you're wise. Okay? I think when we were younger, we wanted to sound wiser. Now I just don't give a fuck. Okay? If I sound stupid, so be it. I am stupid. Okay? I'm growing into myself. You know, the older I get, the more I realize that my personality isn't the one of a serious man. Okay? I was never meant to be somebody who's a deep thinker. No. I'm just a little fucked in the head. I'm a little crack. And so is Shefali.
I'm not crack.
You're not crack? I think you're more crack than me. You just pretend to act wise. Central Bangalore is so well lit and it actually feels like a nice, safe place in the night. Right?
Only Central Bangalore.
Okay guys, I'm gonna go drop Shefali home now because it's getting late. Usually she goes in her car, but आज उसकी car servicing के लिए गई है. So that's it for this vlog. See you guys in the
next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.